Let's go. Finally, LYT. Finally broke out. Finally broke out. Good morning, guys. Finally. Give us some monies, please. LYT. Okay, what other names do we really like here? Looks like PRPH just failed at resistance for now. So, yeah. So JTAI doesn't look bad either, though, does it? JT. And then command. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Okay, there we go. Good morning, Wizard. Good morning, Christopher. Raz, good morning. Other Chris, good morning. Justin, good morning. Shima, good morning. What did you... behind you, good morning. The plants? The plants are, Shima, they're watered by AI. Good morning, Lizzie Virus. Good morning, Trey. Good morning. Trey, where have you been? Good to see you. Archer, good morning. Regina, good morning. Good morning, Chef Mantesh. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning. Let's get the monies. Please. Bus, good morning. Devrin, good morning. Good morning, James. Why? It's Floyd, good morning. How much is the Discord membership? If you click on the join link at the bottom, it's gonna tell you Legend or Go. It's one of the two levels. Jason, good morning. Another Chris, good morning. Jay, good morning. Jason, other Jason, good morning. A, good morning. Good morning, everybody. CM, good morning. Onions, good morning. Daddy Day Trades, good morning. Shoy, interesting. Hump day, everybody. Anyways, so it looks like the S&P is gapping down a bit this morning. $1.60, nothing crazy, right? Not surprised they're doing that just because the market's been a bit sus. JTAI momentum stock had news this morning and it's pushing back up. So again, the usual. I'm not really going to go over the news because this stuff is already posted in Discord, right? So JTI we can pay attention to. LYT is now at 40. It keeps coming back and or failing at 45, 46. So that level is a bit of a magnet, isn't it? Let me mute my Discord here really quickly. So yeah, that level for LYT is going to be really important. Obviously, again, we talked about LYT last week, right? I think we really wanted this thing to stay above like 23.70, but then it broke below and then immediately shot back up. So this is the chart when we posted it last week, right? LYT. We knew this thing would run at some point. It had to run at some point, right? So again, it was at 24 cents at that time, right? Now it's at 46 and struggling. So if anybody held that as a swing play, congratulations. It was a bit annoying, but if you held it, congratulations. So let's see what it can give us now as a momentum play or a day trade, right? So for now, again, it needs to consolidate above 46, and then your next resistance is 50 cents. Alrighty. The other one that we've been talking about, or we talked about before we left the stream yesterday, right, was PRPH, right? So obviously this one's doing well this morning as well. But you can see the double top, right? You can see the resistance at 55 cents. This is the same level from yesterday, though, right? We talked about this level yesterday as well. So this 55 cents for anybody that's holding, that's going to be a key level to break out this morning. And then again, if you're looking for support, watch for that 200 EMA around 45 cents. Alrighty, so 45 important, and then 55 important to the upside. Alrighty, JTI is cooking there, right? So brand new highs of the day on this one, now at 54%. So that looks really good. I'm not quite sure where the next resistance is because I haven't zoomed out yet. So we could honestly just use the supply zones if we need to, right? So like 660, 670, we could use that. It does look really good though, doesn't it? So if you're holding this one, congratulations, JTAI. Alrighty. There are a few more names that we can look at, right? Like OSCR was really good in pre-market, like early pre-market, right? Now it's selling off and retesting the 200 EMA. So if it can find a way to stay above this 495-ish, 497, that might be okay, right? If it can bounce off that 200 EMA, that'd be okay. SINT is another one that's really just consolidating, right? SINT, right? Right around like 490, 490, right? 490, 490, 490. If they can find a way to stay above that, that'd be a good thing. So again, like I said, there are a few names that we're paying attention to going into the open. Alrighty. Question for you guys in the chat though. What's your favorite stock going into the open? Good morning, Michael. Maria, good morning. Oh, Jason. Hi, Jason. Hi, Maria. Paul, hello, hello. Hi, hi. Yeah. Callum, good morning. Good morning, everybody. What's if the one that hasn't crashed? Yeah. What's your favorite stock going into the open? AOAK. Good morning. So again, I'm just going to refresh this gainer list. It shouldn't show us anything that we haven't already talked about or seen this morning, right? Nothing new, right? But it just gives you an idea of, So yeah, there you go. LYT, again, we talked about this already. SINT, we talked about that already. OSRH, we talked about that. TROC, we haven't talked about. We can at some point. JTAI, again, we've talked about that. And then there's a whole bunch of other names that, will come up as time goes on. But for now, meh, right? Nikola announced that they're going into bankruptcy, by the way, right? They're progressing into bankruptcy, Chapter 11, which again, I asked this question so many times on stream already. Like, how the hell is this stock still around? They haven't gone bankrupt. All of these EV stocks are such scams, Like, hey, we're building an EV. Oh, yeah, right. Who are you going to sell it to? Sell it. Unbelievable. ADTX was a good play from that 7 cent range, right? It ran all the way to 15 cents ish. Actually, this more, yeah, just about 15 cents. So if you played with this one, congratulations, ADTX. Jason, I'm not sure what your question is. Okay, you're just holding it. Okay, you might have a really nice entry below 10 cents. So if that's the case, you have nothing to worry about. Alrighty. Yeah, I like LYT obviously. JTAI, right? And then we yet kind of looking to see what happens here with SINT. SINT looks really good. It looks like it's consolidating, getting ready to boom skis. Like it's finding a nice base. Again, the only obstacle we always face at the open is sometimes we look at these names and they're building some really good, building it, like for example this one building a really good base, but for some reason at the open we still want to go back and retest the 200 and then pump, right? For now though, it looks good coming off this bottom here, SINT, right? So that's a good thing. You're in at 10 cents, Jason. Okay, well done. Yeah, that's a good entry. Very good entry. Stay green though, please, and thank you. Stay green. And then PRPH, I'm sure we will talk about this one at some point, but it needs to break above 55 cents. This is that 200 EMA we talked about on this one, right? OSRH, right? It is holding that 200 EMA at, just below $5. So if that thing can stay above that 200 EMA, that's okay. Alrighty. So stay above, please, and thank you. Ayo, Dan. Hello, Ayo. 25 cents. I'm thinking of selling half, keep the other half. I'm going to give you a high five, Ahmad. High five. I agree with your plan. I like it a lot. Yeah, secure some monies. So Jeremiah, the legend level does. So the legend level gives you access to Discord and the educational videos that have been recorded already, which there's a whole bunch, and then the upcoming group classes, and then the live streams in Discord. So it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, the legend level, and then if you needed some one-on-one time, that would be the gold level. Alrighty. So if you're trying to sign up for Discord, yeah. Uh, there you go. So I think you got gifted a free membership already anyways. So it might not even charge you for the first month, or at the very least, it's just going to charge you like whatever the balance is. So it's going to give you a discount so yeah. When you get those free memberships, take advantage of them and upgrade because they really do help. So again, OSRH looks okay. The JTI looks like we're stalling a bit. Again, you want to be careful anyways because we only have 5 minutes left before the market opens. So just be cautious with some of these names. SINT is bouncing off the bottom of the range there, which is perfect. which is perfect. There it goes, 5:30, right? So again, without the market opening, like this is a really good spot for SINT, right? It's just when the market's about to open, you really never know what's gonna happen. So if you picked up SINT off the bottom there, you're smiling, right? Sinty, Sinty, Sinty. So that's a perfect bottom there. I'm sure we're gonna have some resistance as we approach $5.50. Is anybody holding SINT in the chat? Anybody holding the tint? The SINT? You did, Tesh? You did. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, before the market opens, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. Smash and done, right? Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, Virus posted the link already above. Come join us in Discord, and then you're done. Alrighty. So again, 540 to 550 resistance for SINT, right? And then we're gonna have to wait and see what happens with the when the market opens. Hopefully, it doesn't go at least. Hopefully, at the very least, it doesn't go below this level that it's already creating a base at, right? SINT, that would be nice, and then just give us some higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and boom skis, right? So again, really good base for SINT at the bottom, right? It just needs to go. So we like that one going into the open. LYT is another one that might dip at the open just because it's sitting in a fat supply zone, right? But it looks good going into the open. So we also like that one, right? And then again, JTAI hit that supply at the top. So let's see if we find a bit of, base above the VWAP. So watch for 550 if we really start aggressively dipping. Watch 550 there for JTAI. Alrighty. There are a few more names, like I mentioned, like PRPH that we're going to be paying attention to, and then go from there. Alrighty. Let's go, Jeremiah. Upgraded to the legend. Did they even charge you, Jeremiah? Let me know if they did. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Are we ready for the open, guys? Are we ready? 3 minutes. Good morning, Luna. Good morning, Archer. You were and you got out, Archer? Yeah, you probably sold it at the top of the supply zone there, huh? Jeremiah, welcome. Your invite link should be under the community tab on YouTube. Alrighty, and if you can't find it, just let me know. Joe, heyo, good morning. Of all the names that we're looking at, guys, the momentum stocks, what's your favorite stock going into the open? AUUD looks okay, doesn't it? Interesting. AUUD. That one looks okay. Of all the names we've talked about going into the open, what's your favorite? BTC looks okay too, right? Bitcoin just keeps going back and forth, but really holding the base, which is nice, right? So really, again, there are no red flags for Bitcoin other than the fact that it's just consolidating. So I want to get rid of BTC though and put up AUUD. Just again, I like to have all of these names and watch them at the open, because again, you really never know which of these names will be the. You have an idea based on performance, but you really never know. Tesla. Opening dip and rip. Okay, sounds good. JTAI, SINT, TRNR Lion. Okay, sounds good. If it's to tell you after the market opens, AK, and honestly, that's okay, right? That's completely fine. You should never be in a position where you're blinded by pre-market performance, because that's never a good thing. Anyways, again, OSRH still looks okay. Right, coming off that 200 EMA, it just needs to break the downtrend there and give us some higher lows. We have 39 seconds. Whoever was here shorting Mullen Grunt, yeah, Mullen is the easiest short you could ever take in the universe. The easiest short you can ever take. My only concern was was Mullen gonna give us at least like a pop and then crash, or just straight to the abyss? Mullen said nope, straight to the abyss. Anyways, there goes OSRH, right? Perfect off the double bottom there. Off the double bottoms. Not of the double bottom, of the 200 EMA. There we go, guys. We are open. We are open for business. So this one looks good. OSRH, right? Nice little pop. Again, the sell-off is coming at some point, right? JTAI, again, like I said earlier, watch for 550 if we really want to dip and retest the VWAP. LYT still needs to break out or give us a retracement. Since had a nice pop, right? So since actually had a nasty drop to that same level and then popped again back to the resistance, right? So typical market open price action. Surprise, not really. Good morning, Queen. Good morning, Chris. They really are AK, right? Look at this. Look at the chaos. This is why we say like, hey, be very careful at the open, right? You might really like something, but the market makers still want to scam you, right? Like we went to resistance all the way to support and back to the middle, and now we have to decide. It does, but it is holding the bottom of the range, so let's hope that it stays above. Pretty please. AUD is curling, right? So that looks fine there for now. TURG truck, that looks okay as well. And then again, look at that, right? OSRH again. The dip has to come at some point, right? It has to happen. So now watch for that 200 EMA again at $5. Alrighty. Sheesh. My goodness, all of these names just want to cause violence at the open, all of them. This is why I wanted to watch AUD because it looked a bit promising, especially like with the dip already in at the open. Your next resistance for this one is that double top at 72 cents. Alrighty, for AUD. AUD. Do. 69.50, 71 pennies for AUD. Yep, it's going for to retest that double top there. So again, resistance at 72 for this one already. 72. There goes the crazy stock again, guys. OSRH, right? Right to the 200 EMA again, and boom skis right back to almost $6. So that was a good gamble dip, wasn't it? Hmm. A good gamble dip. What do you think about today? Bill, did you sell it already? There it goes. There it goes. OSRH. There he goes. AK, did you buy the dip? I feel like you're the criminal that would buy the dip skis of the 200s. Anyways, they might have halted it up here now, right? So again, nice gamble dip off the 200 EMA, right? And then the second time at the open, and then boom skis. So now it's halted up, right? You did? I knew it. See, I know you guys so well. So well. Oh yeah, Bill, monies, I like it a lot. I like it. I like it. JTI is still dipping again. We talked about that 550 for JTI, right? Now it's sitting at 550, but it's not consolidating yet. So it's really important that you make sure you wait for consolidation. If anything, maybe it's coming back to retest this area, right? For JTI. Alrighty. So that would be the level to watch for now, for that one. Cool. Just because again, that was kind of like the breakout zone. The breakout zones. So, I mean, keep dipping and then consolidate. We don't mind, right? So, LYT still looks good, right? It's still sitting in that supply zone. That's why we really haven't talked about it much, right? I kind of wanted this thing to dip to this area. Perfect VWAP, demand zone 200 EMA, but it's still sitting, at resistance. So it's going to need to dip or break out. I mean, I prefer the breakout. More fun that way, right? AUD clearly failed that resistance. Surprise, surprise. No, not really, right? If you're not in a position, don't buy it below double top. Otherwise, you're gonna get slapped. Alrighty. Truck looks okay. There goes ADTX though. So congratulations to all the criminals holding ADTX, because that thing said, "Hey guys, I go now. I go now." 570. Yeah, that's fine. AK, just make monies, please, right? And if you want to be aggressive, just move the damn thing all the way to like right below $6, and you should be okay. But again, either way, nice. You should be happy. Uh, there goes LYT retesting the double top as well. uh, Looks good right now. There we go. So I don't know why my this is all Dan's fault too. Unbelievable. There goes 52 cents, guys, for LYT. So that's looking really good. Before the open, money Z. Welcome aboard. You moved it to 6. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, right. Secure the monies, especially when the market opens and it pops like that. You know they're gonna do some scams, right? So either way, you should be very happy with it. JTI is selling off into that level that we, kind of pointed out to the left hand side, right? We initially looked at that 550, but there isn't any consolidation, so that doesn't work, right? So now we're retesting the actual like structure zone, right? So if you look to the left hand side, that was your break of structure on the left, right? That's kind of where the run started, Dan. So let's see if JTI can bounce up this level already. So that would be the level I'd be paying attention to if you're interested in JTI, and then go from Zia, right? So again, uh, uh, and then JTI says, "Hey guys, I listen. I go bye bye, bye bye, bye bye off the level, right?" So again, these structure levels are usually very important, at least for like a quick scalping. Righty. OSRH is still halted, so just waiting for that one. LYT again, really good pop on this, so congratulations again. I know a whole bunch of you guys are holding this one, so congratulations. Righty. Yeah. Congrats. Let me zoom out really quickly because I don't think we have. I think we were paying attention to that 50 cents. So I would want to wait to see if we consolidate about 50 cents a mat, and then I'll zoom out and look at something else. Righty. SINT with a nice little pop and then slapped, right? So again, these dips always happen at the open. Always, always, always. So again, that thing basically just popped to resistance and then dip skis, right? And again, it's really, really important that if you're going to buy something, you at least give it, wait for that consolidation, right? If it's not consolidating and you're like, but Blaze, you told me that this stock was going to bounce off this level. Again, consolidation is key because it confirms what you're thinking, right? So if you look to the left hand side, you can see the candles clearly consolidating, and you're like, oh, you know what? Maybe this is okay, boom skis, right? Whereas when a stock is dropping like a tomato like that, don't put your hands up and say, oh, let me catch it. You know what you're gonna be covered in? You're gonna be covered in blood. There goes OSRH, guys. So that thing never even came back down to your stop loss, right? And here comes $7, AK. So don't forget to pay yourself, alrighty? Don't forget to pay yourself. And then the other one, guys, again, JTI with the pop, right? So again, not really surprised that we're popping off that level. Um, so much stuff happens in the morning, especially when I'm looking at all of these. Is I don't always have time to catch the stuff that I want to catch, like like JTI. So completely missed out on that one. Anyways, moving on. There goes $7.30. Ooh, this was perfect, guys. This was perfect, right? Again, if we asked most of you guys, like, hey, what's your favorite stock coming into the open? OSRH was not on your watch list, right? It wasn't like your favorite stock, right? So, but then look at what happens. So this is why, again, just being flexible at the open and watching everything is really important, right? Because again, this thing did not look good coming into the open, did it? It did not. This thing looked like garbage coming into the open. But guess what, right? That 200 EMA is really, 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 really important. Really important, right? All of a sudden now this is the favorite, right? Now it's halted up twice, and then AK, high five. There goes JTI, guys, right off the level we talked about, right? So again, that structure level, $6.20 resistance on that one. So be careful, please. Alrighty. Be careful, please, and thank you. Okay, let's see. Perfect. So you got in, so you got 30 cents. Well done. I like your stop loss now, AK. I like it a lot. Alrighty, give me a high five. Well done. I like that. I like that it's aggressive as well. You're not leaving anything on the table. If it hits, it hits. Screw the damn stock, right? You make monies. we move on. Happy trading, BLK. Other SINT waiting for to retrace. Okay, SINT. Yeah, no, I haven't really. SINT really hasn't given us any opportunities. Maybe of this 200 EMA, maybe of the demand zone, right? Um, like 460 ish, 465. Maybe if you can start to consolidate and then give us a double bottom, that'd be perfect. Other than that, that thing really hasn't given us much. AUD again, that double top was a problem, right? So resistance twice, let it sell off. So now you're looking for 50 cents all the way to like 54 if it can consolidate. LYT again, same, right? And like I mentioned earlier, I wasn't really going to look for LYT levels unless we consolidated above 50 cents, right, Matt? So now we're back to retesting again, which is this is kind of what we put the circle here in the morning because we wanted this level, right? This is the level we wanted around this range. So now let's see if we can find a way to stay above, 38 cents LYT. So perfect dip skis, right? If it can hold it, that's perfect. Now you want to see some higher lows for JTAI. That initial pop was nice, but you want to see some proper like technical structure on this rubbish. You know, can we get an on halt already? OSRH. Other than AK, is anybody else holding OSRH? Anybody else? In a couple hours, try not to make trades till 10. Jason, okay, sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. I accept. You are Shima. I like it. You're holding as well, Bradley. Jay, give me high fives, guys. High fives everywhere. High five. High five. High fives. High fives. Monies. So I think after we get this on halt out of the way, I think we're gonna go for dip skis. So be very careful. Be ready to exit the building already, because I think we've already had two halts up. I think if we go back below $7, even below 732, it might be time for a halt down or a bit of a dip skis. Alrighty, so just be mindful. Make sure you're ready to run. I sell myself short, cutting my swings before the big run, Jason. Okay. Yeah, no, that's fair. That is fair. You bought some ADTX at what price? What price? Virus. Let's go. I completely forgot to look at Oxy this morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now I want to go look. Obviously, PRPH looks good, guys. Right off the 200 EMA, that looks really good. You guys notice how like the 10 cents? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, that's a good entry. 10 cents for ADTX is good. You guys notice how like the 200 EMA, the white line at the bottom has been like a perfect bounce level for a lot of stocks this morning? You notice that? PRPH. You notice that? Like this morning especially. So this morning, doo, 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 uh, let's see. Needs 630. La 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 la. Na, 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 na. There goes the on halt for OS. Oof! What a beauty! Like what an absolute beauty. Now your stop loss can go up again, huh? Right? What an absolute beauty OS is. Sheesh. Are we halted up again at 788? It's halted up again, right? So did your stop loss hit? Did you leave it at 720? Did it hit on that same candle? It hit at 720? Okay, fine. Is that a new stock? It shouldn't be. See, I didn't even zoom out. I did not zoom out. All we saw was the 200 EMA. That was it, right? And that they had momentum this morning. So any thoughts on Grab today as a sell limit? You're wanting to sell at 499 because you work in. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Let's take a look then. So this one had so much hype over the weekend, right? And you have a sell limit at 499. I'm not sure I understand. Uh, not sure I understand. Uh, like you have a stop loss at 499 is what you're saying? I mean, I think you should have sold that thing at like 450, but that's okay, right? So let me know what your question is. So yeah, it looks like JTI is still finding resistance right below 620, 630 already. Or you're looking to buy at 499. Okay, let's take a look. So again, when you look at the daily, like when you zoom out, you can clearly see, right? Like the last few months, it's had some issues around this price, right? Which is the same level that it hit yesterday, right? So this time frame really isn't going to give us much. In terms of like anything else, you're looking for 499. 499 again, I can see why you're looking at that because that was the support it had yesterday. So more closer to like $5.10. Alrighty, so if it can stay above again, so the closer you are to like $5 to 510, and then I would make sure you have a really tight stop loss because if it's not holding like that 499 to $5 you're looking at, right? That thing is gonna get slapped. Alrighty, because below that your next level is like 485 and then 470 ish. Alrighty, so just be aware of the levels. Cool. SINT is still selling off. Yeah, SINT really hasn't given us anything, has it? Like zero. You know, zero. Zero. This is why you really can't pick one name and say, I'm going to watch this stock today. This is my favorite stock. Oh my God. Like, this is going to squeeze, right? You really can't do that, right? Because again, coming into the open, we would have looked at Sint and said, you know what? That thing is actually popping now. Maybe it's going to break out. Nope. Anyways, we need JTI to break out here. The damn thing just keeps failing at 410, right? And then obviously OSRH is still halted up. TRNR. Okay. You earn a loyal follower. Thank you, Noir. Yeah, come join us in Discord if you want to. PRPH still looks good, right? It looks like it wants to break above that 55 cents, doesn't it? Is anybody still holding this one in the chat? Anybody still holding this one? So again, your next resistance is 55 cents. 55 cents. I need dips. AK, you want virus to crash the damn thing? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, it looks like we're still failing on yeah, you might get your dip on JTI, right? Walter, Shima, Sam, River, be okay? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, it just needs to break above 55 cents. It does look promising though, doesn't it? Right. I like how it dipped to the VWAP and then we got a higher low. I think that's perfect. Yeah, closer to that AK. That was the last level, right? So what I would be looking for is I would be looking for a higher low like we did the last time of the VWAP, so 560. But if it doesn't look like we're holding that level, then we're headed straight to that 530 level, and then let's see what happens there, right? So for now, let's see. I mean, I prefer a breakout, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Good job of making monies though. Good jumps. Cure with a bit of a pop there. La 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 la. BBI. B hats with a bit of a pop as well. Some of these stocks are silly. Okay. Just break 55 cents already. And then the other damn thing just needs to on halt. You know what I mean? Sneaky stocks, Mohammed. Yep, we do. OSRH is on halted, guys. So again, make sure you're paying yourself on the way up or at the very least moving your stop losses higher, right? There goes the damn thing again. Now they're going to halt it up again, huh? Sheesh. My goodness, what a monster. $8.25. Oh my goodness, AK. Uh, yeah, you took profits, Shima. I like it. Well done. Yeah, it's not even stopping, is it? That thing said, nope, not today. We just keep going and going and going. So again, good job paying yourself on the way up though. If you haven't, you should be scaling out on the way up. Alrighty? Scale out on the way up. Pay yourself on the way up. This is a pretty nice pop. My goodness. Sheesh. It's always difficult though. Like if you didn't get in early in the morning, like when we were asking, like if you didn't get into this thing like around this price, right? It's always difficult, like trying to jump in when a stock is halting up, So the people that are happy are the people that and then there goes JTI, right? AK, right? The virus. Look at what virus has done. Damn, he really crashed the damn thing, and then he actually halted it. So again, AK, this is not a buy, is it? It's not, right? It is not a buy, especially on the first candle into the support level until it consolidated. He really went too far. My goodness. Damn virus. Sheesh. What the hell? Oh, my rocket don't play. He blew up the damn stock. Oh my goodness. Anyways, again, pay yourself on the way up on OSCR. OSRH already. Do, 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 do. Perfect. That stock is officially dead now. My goodness. See this? It did you dirty, Grim? Dang, what happened? Let me go look. That's exactly what happened, AK. Unbelievable. Grab is still holding above that 510-ish. Hey, yo, Crypto Surfer. Okay, let me take a look at CURR. Yeah, I saw that one pop on the scanner. I just never looked at it. Yeah. That thing popped and then said, hello. Anybody home? Anybody like bags? Sheesh. Crazy, crazy, crazy. You missed out on AK picking out a sweet entry on this one, Grim. Straight at the bottom, like a true criminal. Right at the bottom, almost to the top. So yeah, again, JTI is halted down, right? LYT looks like it's consolidating at the bottom of the VWAP stair. So let's see if it stays above 36 cents ish already. See if we can stay about 36 cents. SINT went all the way to the abyss, and now it's coming back. So I think with this one, you want to see a higher low at some point. Maybe a push above the 200 like it has, and then a retest of that 200. That'd be good. And then maybe a bit of a curl for you here, Grim, right? And then PRPH, guys, again, we know where that resistance is at, right? Right around 55 cents is what it needs to break. Yeah, it's halted down. Yep. So if you paid yourself on the way up on this one, congratulations. That was a really nice push. Very, very, very nice push. So hopefully that wasn't it though. Hopefully like the little bit of excitement we've had this morning continues. Because Thursday, Friday, Sunday. Okay. Sounds good. Do. You slept in, Angie? Dang. Why did you sleep in? Were you working last night? What were you doing last night? Huh? Unbelievable. Now you missed the top. So now you're hoping for a second push, huh? You might get it. Let me take a look at TRNR, yeah. TRNR. Lion likes this one. It has resistance at $2.10, Lion. So 210 and then, the usual range, 220, 230, right? The usual. Europe. Alrighty, so yeah, 210 resistance. $2.10. I feel like we've had that initial like exciting morning. Now we're waiting a few minutes for the markets to kind of consolidate, huh? Done, and you is it already done, Dimitri? Is it done, or do you think it can run past 20 cents? Thanks, Dimitri. What's your position in that play? Let me know, and I'll take a closer look. There goes TRNR breaking 210. So the candle obviously hasn't closed above it yet, but 29 only up 100. They settled cash locked up. D. Oh, that's so stupid. That's almost the same thing. Anyways. So it looks like JTI is back in action. So let's see if let's see if this candle can find a way to to stay above 520 at the very least. Nope, still dipping. So let's see though. Alrighty, we can stay above that level. That'd be the range AK was asking for JTI. I mean, if it wants to create a double bottom, then that's okay. You had today off, okay. Yep, that thing is aggressively bouncing for now off that level. Thanks, virus. Thanks, virus. There it goes. 546. Right back to 540. That'd be pretty sweet, actually, if that thing found a way to double bottom off that level. TRNR slapped, right? Again, really, really important that when you're looking at resistance, you let it close above, because if it doesn't close above, it doesn't count, right? So clearly that doesn't count if it doesn't, right? Lion, hopefully you took some monies. Yeah, hopefully you took some money. That's a perfect scam candle. Perfect scammies. PRPH is still looking good. It's still fighting to break above that 55. I like how it's giving us higher lows, right? So if that thing can break out, the volume is going to come in. RSLS looks like it's popping there too. So is B hat. The B hat. Yeah. Looks like you're getting a bit of a bounce there though, Lion. A little bit. Damn, this thing keeps failing at 55 cents. What's going on there? We need more grim monies at that price, you know? Why does LICN have so much hype, Grim? Why? Seems like the next ADTX penny stock hype stock. You know? If you had with profits and then waited the stock re-enter extra stock in a more average cost, is it good or move or not? I want to say no. I would rather, unless like we're really finding some really good support and you're like, you know what, let me add this position back. Yeah, I would prefer that you take your gains and then you put a stop loss on the rest of the position instead of looking to re-add, unless it has a catalyst. And because some of these stocks we play with, right, like SRM, right, MGOL, they have like catalysts coming up. So it really depends on like what the future holds, if it's a swing play, right? Because it might be a swing play where like like some of the swing plays we've taken, right, we get in on a swing play and then it cooks right away, right, and then you sell half, right, but the catalyst is still there. So then when it dips, you can say, oh, you know what, let me add to this position on a dip because it's consolidating. So it really depends, man. And there goes another fail again at resistance. Yeah, that one, I don't like that one as much as the other ones for sure. Anyways, TRNR is pushing back up again, line. And then JTI looks like rubbish, doesn't it? So super, super weak. Again, when a stock is coming down to a level, like, yeah, we like double bottoms, we like double bottoms. But sometimes it's nicer when you get a higher low on a stock, So in this case, let's see if we can at least stay above $5, right? And then if anything, then watch the 200 EMA for JTAI, and then somehow OSRH is still halted down. Before the missed a few seconds, Lily, I've been entering your orders way below. Yeah, Lion. Okay. Sounds good. Used to be. Okay. Yeah. Dan, where's your wife? Where is she? Unbelievable. So yeah, it looks like we have a lot of resistance on that thing there. Did we have AUUD? And then ADTX, guys, for 14 cents is your next support for ADTX. Alrighty, so 14 cents to 1360 would be your next level to watch for ADTX. AUUD, that thing is retesting the top of the range again, right? So if that thing can find a way to break and close above 72 cents we mentioned earlier, that'd be good. Sometimes the TradingView loads, but it doesn't load with the algo. There it goes. So 72 cents, break close, and then push for 80 cents. Alrighty. For AUUD, the A and the U's. So I made brand new highs there though. Again, you guys notice what's happening today is a lot of these stocks are loving selling up to the 200 EMA, right? That's another example of a stock selling up to the 200 EMA and then curling back above the 9. Maybe Raven is in B hat. And Q short. That means there's violence in the markets then. Violence in the markets on a funded account. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I almost want to pull up a SPY here and see what it's doing. OSRH is unhalted. There you go. Here we go. AUUD. Yeah, Joe making monies. Monies, Joe. Cook. Well done. Hmm. Yeah, I wonder if we just consolidate above $7 here for this one and then keep going. Because it doesn't look like it's done yet, does it? Until we get lower lows on this thing, I don't think it's done yet. So we might come back and retest the that 650 level at some point, but for now, it's trying to stay above it. AUUD failed at the same resistance again, guys, right? So some people love fat bottoms, some people like fat tops, you know? So 38, you did? Okay. See, you're sitting at 40 cents for now, AK, so let's see if it stays above. Uh, Virus? Okay, sounds good. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you later. See you later. Virus is going to the woods, guys. Again, after making big monies, he's going to the woods. Off table. Okay. Going to the woods. How do you think Virus cooks, Mohammed? He goes to the woods and then, he meets up with this person. I'm not going to say the name, and then stuff happens. And then he comes back and he cooks. The person's name is Diddy. Anyways, so I'm kidding. I'm kidding. OSRH doesn't look like it's done at all. So let's hope that's a higher low. Back to $8 on this one. uh, I'm kidding. Uh, stuff happens. I don't know what happens. Something happens in the woods. That's why Virus comes out from the woods and he cooks. Dang, Sin still looks like garbage, doesn't it? I want to look at SPY really quickly. 90 to 80 Luna. I like it. What the, 173 on the calls. Okay. Yeah, ADTX just got slapped. Slapped, right? So again, importance of having a stop loss, please. Importance of having a stop loss. And SPY looks weak skis. Weak skis. I wonder if we're just gonna just be weak all day today on SPY. I wonder, because we've basically just been below the view at the entire time and below the 200. So clearly the trend is down for the S&P. So we shall see. We shall see. And then back to OSRH. That thing clearly again isn't done, right? Grim, did you FOMO into this one or no? Did you FOMO into this one? So Luna, you got in on 880. Again, your entry could have been sooner, right? Because again, you looked at the bottom there, and Plan A was way lower, Luna, right? So if you were interested, and your entry was a bit risky, even though you made money, is because it's not a breakout, right? But again, good job, you know. So let's see if this thing can give us a breakout. Luna played the vibes, is what she did on that. There goes 850. Grim, close your eyes and say "Husa." Close your eyes, Grim. Say "Husa." Meditate. Higher than you wish, Luna. Okay, yeah. Sometimes it happens like that, and it's really annoying. But it happens. It happens. Hmm. Brian wants to spin today. What do you think about LYT? Brian wants to spin. Yeah, I don't know. Do you guys want to do the wheel thing again? Then we'd have to do the gold thing. Jericho says done for the day. And listen to let's go, Jericho. I like it. Come on. High five. Well done. Well done. Good morning, Marla. Good morning. LYT wants to cook. I mean, first things first, it needs to break above the view app. So if you break above 41, and then yeah, you just open up room to 44, 45 to 46 cents, which it looks like it's trying to right there. Okay. No, we did the wheel yesterday, but a different wheel though, a wheel of memberships. Giveaway. Giveaway. Yeah, you think so? He made money flying. This is the part where you start losing your profits. Yeah, again, that's part of like understanding what you're good at and what you're not maybe good at, right? And if you make monies in the mornings and then you start losing the monies, yeah, be done. Hims and Hers to offer at-home blood draw and lab testing with a new acquisition. Oh wow! So they're gonna test your blood at home and then test it at home. That seems pretty fire, actually. No wonder the damn stock is cooking. Hims and Hers. There goes OSRH, guys. New highs of the day. What an absolute monster this thing is, right? What an absolute monster this thing is. So again, we dip below the 9, right? Below the 9, back above the 9, Luna, perfect, right? And then boom skis, new highs of the day. So again, the only downside is that it's super volatile, but other than that, that's a perfect plan A, right? Perfect. Uh, Only two trades, and well done, AK. Not AKA, well done, A. Hims and Hers. They take your blood, and they give you a testes. Test. You are free of. Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Futures or just regular markets? Futures members. They want to come cook with you in futures? Uh, Under my absolutely nothing. Oh, okay. Yeah, first things, yeah, get them to join and then get them to go. Get them to start watching the videos, educational videos, how to read charts. Basic stuff like that. Basic stuff. In hopes of futures. Okay, yeah, there you go. Them spy again. Spy clearly looks super weak today. So surprise, surprise. There it goes. OS. Dang. This was the stock AK, wasn't it? This was the one. This was the one. Doche, come on, let's go. Well done. Well done, Doche. Well done. From 7.30 to $9.20. I like it a lot. 7.30. Yup, 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 yup. Right on the curlies. And then boomskis to the highs of the day. I like it a lot. B hat is looking really good for anybody that's in it. BHAT. Righty, that's looking really, really good for anybody that's in. Yeah, best thing to do, Joe. Paper trades. Yeah, there you go. So there goes $9.60, guys, for OSRH. Damn grim. FOMO. I think the one we played with yesterday got to 9.50 to $10 and then crashed, right? So yeah. So $9.50 to $10 is always a bit of a sus level because people start selling because they're like, $10. Are we gonna break $10? So then they start selling it. So be careful. And if you sold this thing at $7, $8, wherever, no regrets. Like really no regrets. Zero, right? So and here's that 950-ish and then dip skis, right? Surprise? Is anybody surprised we're dipping, guys? Anybody surprised? No, right? Same thing happened yesterday. There was a stock that was at $4, $5, ran all the way to 950 to $10 and then dip, right? So it's more of like the psychology of trading, right? People look at this and they're like, $10, huh? Are we gonna break? I don't care. Let me start selling at $9, 950, 960, 970, and then slap. Um I should have been in I know, Grim. Yeah, it's like that sometimes. Sometimes you just need to like step back and reset, you know, and then go again. Yeah. So frustrating, but yep. There goes here goes a cup and handle, by the way, for this is what is this now? The fifth time we're testing this? No, the fourth time we're testing. But it looks nicer now, doesn't it? AUUD, right? So are we actually gonna close above though? That's the question. Are we gonna close above? 72. Still a problem. Anyways, OSRH said, "Hey guys, I dip skis to give you discounts," and then come all the way back up again, 950. So, huh? Uh, uh, okay, let's see here. OS. Yeah, this one's an absolute monster. Uh, uh, okay, there we go. 969. 969. Ooh wee. OSRH. What a monster. That thing said I give you $9.80. Is it going now? Yeah, it's closing above the view app now, so that's a good thing, AK. Right? Now hopefully you have lift off. And guess what? AUD is still failing at 72 cents. So until it closes above, just be cautious. Here comes new highs of the day, guys, for OSRH. Is anybody still holding OSRH? Type in yes in the chat if you are. Type in yes if you are holding. AUUD looks like it's only a matter of time before it breaks though, right? It looks like that, right? Has the vibe, right? AK quick scalp. Yeah, that should be like your stock of the day, you know? But again, just be careful anytime it gets between like 950 and $10 because the selling pressure really does come in at that price. AUD, yeah, there goes new highs of the day. 75 cents. 75 pennies. AUUD 76. Looking good. Okay, back to this one. JTAI is still holding $5, right? So the only thing that's not good about the stock is that it doesn't have the volume because the other ones have the volume, right? SINT clearly hasn't done anything good, today that we should be interested in. SPY is bouncing up there a little bit. AUD still looks good, and then back to this one. LYT is looking like it wants to go, but again, it needs to stay above that VWAP. Hopefully, slacker. You're green in that position, Wizard. Give me a high five. Well done. Well done, skis. And it's coming back to that 850, so hopefully you paid yourself some, right? Or you took your gains. Again, 950 to $10 is going to be a problem. It's going to take a bit more volume to break above it. Kind of looks like the stock that will break it at some point, but again, you want to make sure that you're cautious. Protect your monies, please. Protect your monies. Protect your monies. 73 daily goal, and I like it a lot. Well done, congratulations. You're definitely cooking. I like it. So here comes $9.35 again, 940 again, 950 again, right? Like I said, it looks like the type of stock that's gonna break above $10, just the way that it keeps coming back, right? But you still want to be cautious up there, though. Every time we dip and create a higher low, it's perfect. You want to make sure we don't go below that. So whether you're holding and setting a stop loss or you're selling at $9.50, there's nothing wrong with anything, because you're selling at resistance or you're moving your stop loss up, and then hopefully it gives you a breakout here. Next time we break 950, we better cook. If not, next time we break 950, if we get back to 950, we better cook. If not, I'm gonna have cookies for lunch. I'm kidding. Anyways, JTI with the pop of $5. Nadia, come join us in Discord. Come join us. Come join us. So yeah, again, JTI of that $5. So that's good, right? It needs the volume though. It needs the volume. And here comes OSRH again. Hopefully it's another higher low candle. And then if it can break above 950 again, and then hopefully that unlocks that door to $10, Oh, okay. Perfect. La la la. Here we go again. 936. Yeah, the spread is a bit sus though, isn't it? Just give us 950 and then go boom skis. JTI is still looking good, retesting. So your next resistance is right where that VWAP is at already. So 560-ish. So again, good consolidation, I guess, right? And then a bit of a bounce. So $9, $5.50 to 560. Not the worst. Okay, there we go. And try the orange, yellow bubbles. Technology. 78? Oh, yeah. Yeah, finally broke above it. AUD. Federico, are you in this one? If you are, congratulations. Congratulations. So I like it. LYT, that thing disappointed you, AK. Right? 42 cents almost, and then said, And then again, JTI is failing at that 560, which we know is resistance already, anyways, right? So 560 resistance, which again is connecting with the previous support level, isn't it? Right? So that 560 is your next resistance there for JTI. And then OSRH still needs to break above 950, and then maybe we can start pushing. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see. Do you think MGO will ever cook again? Marla, yeah, probably at some point, yes. The question is, where does it sell off to before it decides to cook again, right? That's the question. Okay, Joe. Okay, sounds good. See you in Discord. Um, okay, sounds good. From vet at the same time, I like it. Well done. Sounds good. See you in Discord. Anybody holding AUUD in the chat? So we broke above that 70, that we closed above that 72, right? And then the next level we wanted was 80 cents, right? So here comes that 80 cents. So if we can close above 80 cents, then we can zoom out and find other levels. So it does look really good though. So there goes 82 cents, right? 82 pennies. 82-cent pennies. You are, Shima? I like it. So again, the amount of times we tested this, and this is why I always say, the more you test a level, the weaker it becomes, especially if you're getting higher lows, right? Same thing when you test the bottom, right? So test, 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 test. Eventually, it's going to break, especially if you're getting higher lows. So the test has to come with higher lows, right? If you're just testing resistance and then going back to the same bottom, then at some point, one of those two will give, and then that's a problem. So now you need to see this thing close above 80 cents though, like close and consolidate above 80 cents, and then we can talk about other levels. Alrighty. So it looks like, yeah, we still need to close above $9.50 for OSRH, and then we can go from there. JTI needs to break above 560 and close above 560, and then maybe we start pushing for $6. But it really is trying, especially after coming off the bottom of the view out there at around $5. So not bad, right? Not horrible at all, right? Ticker will change, Grun. Yeah. Then let's see what happens after the ticker change. Perfect. Perfect. Damn, Dan, SPY looks weak today, doesn't it? It just keeps failing at the view up, which is a perfect short, actually, Dan. Perfect shorties. Perfect shorties. Here comes that 950, guys, for OSRH. Actually, yeah, here comes that 950. So we might be. Let's see where this candle decides to close, because that candle itself went to $10. Like it hit $10 exactly, right? But then you kind of notice how we're still struggling with 950, right? So, but it's looking good though. It's holding the 9 EMA really nicely. When was the last time we were below the 9 EMA on this one, guys? When? Oh yeah, right there, which was a good dip opportunity too, actually. So looking good. Double bottom, LYT. Yep. Yep. That makes it easy for you to manage. 36.45 if it can stay above it. So it looks like we filled at 80 cents for now for AUUD. And then we're still struggling with staying above 950 for this stupid stock. Yeah, exactly, Bill. Exactly. So if it doesn't stay above that level, then do not diamond hand it. Do not diamond hand it, please. I think. Really? No. There you go. M goal. Is M goal going back up? Looks like it. Looks like it. Why is everything just failing at resistance, guys? Why? Today's another one of those stupid scalp days, huh? Uh, one of those stupid scalpy days. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. 2 and 5. Do-do-do-do-do. Okay, let's see. Okay, AUD. Pop, pop, pop again. 82 cents. 82 cents. Okay. 82 cents. 970 done for the day. Meeting at 10:30. See you guys. Stay green. AK, well done today, by the way. Congratulations. Yeah, that was it was a good day. Good day, AK. Have a wonderful meeting, okay? Today was a good day. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Have a good meeting. See you later in Discord. Uh, hmm. Okay. Dashboard. So I can stop with these ridiculous taxes. Found really? Did you just do your taxes, Josh? Did you do your taxes? Need more days like today? Yeah, AK today was good for you. And you paid a lot of taxes? Out of recovered only Lowell, so you made some money back. Okay, that's good, right? Making your money's back is equally as good as sometimes, right? So again, it looks like it's trying to form a higher low and uptrend. So if I put a horizontal line here with the algo, you can see that it's tracking really nicely, right? So JTI is trending up, but you can clearly also see where the resistance is at, right? It's right there, right around that price, right? Not exactly where that VWAP is at, but right around that price. Alrighty, so it needs to clear that level, JTAI, and if it can, that's when Grim is gonna say, "Ooh la la, ooh la la." It's 2 months. Why? Oh, that thing said, "Bye, Grims." Damn. Shish. Thing said, "Hello, bye bye." So again, JTI does look really good. Why? Because because it's maintaining the uptrend, right? Oh my goodness, look at it go, guys. Our next resistance was at $6, right? If you look to the left hand side, resistance up there, right? So, sheesh. That thing said, "Excuse me, sir. You already got in? I knew it." I knew it, Grims. I knew it. Anyway, so yeah, $6 resistance on this one for JTI. So again, nice, nice consolidation above the 200 EMA, nice uptrend, retest, and then break the VWAP, right? And cook. So very nice. Very nice. Let's see. Okay. Doo-doo. Let's see. Mute. Okay. What's Spy? Oh yeah, Spy is popping a little bit there, isn't it? Spy said, "Give me a pop, please. Give me a bounce." Nvidia is finally coming back. Yeah, it looks like all the markets are coming back, right? Yeah. True. Maybe we get a retest and then continuation up. Maybe. Yeah, we could never break above that 55 for PRPH, but it's still maintaining some support at the bottom. OSRH guys again, 950, $10. We knew this, right? I think we were more just hoping for more, but we knew like again, 950 to $10 is a pretty solid level of resistance. So since is holding a double bottom at 440, 450. So LYT, yeah, that 36 is yup, very important. And there goes JTAI, right? Testing that $6 range. So now, right? Earlier, now. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Actually, that's an interesting candle. Yeah, but again, it's still failing at the same spot, right? So we need to break above that if it wants to keep going. Did you get out, Grim? Still in there? Oof! Oh my days! Spy just exploded, guys. Jeez! My goodness! What happened? Did news come out or something? What the hell? What the hell happened there? As I was saying. Yeah, what the hell? Sheesh. Trump is pumping it again? Oh, what happened? Damn. My goodness. NVIDIA drove it up. Something happened. From like crazy weakness to boom skis. So let's see if it can stay above the 200 EMA though. See if we can stay above. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Spy looks wild though, doesn't it? Spy looks a bit wild. Some of these candles are a bit crazy. Crazy. Trump would like an agreement with China to also include issues like nuclear weapons security. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Let's go, John. Congratulations. Well done. Not moving. It's halted. I mean, it's on halted now, Nadia. It's on halted now. Do you know what a halt is, Nadia? If not, I would research. You do? Okay. 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 Perfect. Yeah. No, it was halted. I wonder if all of that pump was because of Trump, though. I wonder. What time? What time? Guess what time it is? What time, Josh? What happened? Are you going back to the casino? It's when they don't want us to win, Jose. Yeah, when you're holding puts, right? Waiting for the dip. What happened, Josh? What time is it? Uh, oh, oh my goodness. Guess what time it is? It's Santa time. Santa time, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you very much, Josh. Ooh, wee. No, 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 no. Wait, why did that thing all of a sudden just pop? I'll come back to Josh's woof. This is looking good now. Look at it go, guys. Look at JTAI. Perfect. Let me just manage this really quickly and then yeah, it's halted up. JTI is halted up. Halted up, guys. Ooh wee. Grims, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful uptrend on this thing for sure. Beautiful. And then the breakout. Beautiful, right? So if you got into this thing, give me a high five. Anybody in this one? High five, high five. Josh, thank you very much. I knew it, Grim. Thank you very much, Josh. Congratulations, guys. If you got a gifted membership from Josh, take advantage of it, please. Ready? LYT is holding that double bottom bill, trying to at least. Really trying to. There goes Spy with another little pop C there. Popsies. So JTI, beautiful. Okay, let me send you a screenshot. 580. Let's go, onions. Let's go. Make sure you pay yourself on the way up, though, right? Don't miss streams and to get memberships at the moment. Yeah. Absolutely. Don't miss the streams and yeah. You guys want to do the let's do the wheel. I'll just put it up and then we don't have to do it. Okay. I'll do the wheel. I'll do the goal thing. How do I do it? Yeah, oh, there we go. Perfect. How much more time do we have before we have to leave? If you do a super chat, guys, don't do more than $5, okay? Unless you really want to. Okay. Chats. Here we go. LYT. Yeah, it needs to stay above 36. If it doesn't, then you have a bit of a problem. Okay. And then we're waiting for the other one to be on halted here. Waiting for the on halt. Anybody other than Exactly, Josh. Exactly. One good trade pays for the year. The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. Absolutely. Absolutely, Josh. So if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Missing out. Don't tell me what to do. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know what, Josh? Pick someone from the chat and let's give them a legend membership for a month, Josh. Let's go. My goodness. Josh says, don't tell me what to do, guys. Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. Let's go, Josh. We can spin the wheel, Josh, or you can pick someone from the chat. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Alrighty. Is anybody on this list that isn't in the chat? Anybody? Let me know. And then I'll just remove the names. Cool. Let me take a look at OCEA. Ash, are you here? Yeah. Looks like the pumpers. Jacob, are you still in this one? This one looks okay, doesn't it? Hmm. Interesting. Let's go. There goes the on hold, guys. Oof, my days. My goodness is gone, skis. My goodness. Shish. Damn. That thing said, excuse me, sir. If Josh is going and sending the monies, why can't I send the monies too? Why can't I send the monies too, guys? $7. From yesterday morning, Marla, that's you? Okay, sounds good. Then I don't need to yeah. So Josh, do you wanna Josh, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Marla, let's you want to do Marla as a member? Yeah? Or do you want okay, let's do Marla then. Marla, give it to Marla. Let's go. Marla, congratulations. See? There you go. Congrats. Already? You're not the boss of me. Send me an email, Marla, and I'll send you an invite, okay? So thank you very much, Josh. So Josh has gifted you a legend membership. Alrighty? Let's go. Shima, I like that entry a lot. A lot. Yeah, 475 to 7. I like it. I like the exit as well. So perfect. Perfect. RX. One second. Let me listen to this voice. I just had to listen. Oh, Ash. Oh, funny. Spy's doing a good job there, Dan. Okay, AUD, Dipskis, LYT still at that same price, and then slap and halted. So good job on selling. Good job on selling. Alrighty. Uh, for you, take advantage, please. There's so much at your fingertips as a legend. Absolutely, Josh. Take advantage, Marla. So make sure you send me an email and I'll send you an invite. Alrighty. There was a member yesterday, guys, that never sent me an email. So we had 3 winners yesterday. Okay, that's Jeremiah. Jeremiah, let me send you an invite. Okay. We had a member yesterday, Sing, right? Sean sent me an email, and then Hey sent me an email. Uh, yeah, no, if I missed the invite. La 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 la. Okay. Uh, no matter how long, should we take it? Have no idea who that is. Anyways, um, so I like onions. Congratulations. I like that you sold the damn thing, you know? Yeah, Jeremiah, I just sent you an email, okay? So just click on the invite and then follow the steps in the getting started channel. So you have to connect your Discord to YouTube and then you're good to go. Funny, funny. Okay, so this is still stalling here. That one's just sitting there, and this one's halted. Cool. What I was saying was we had a member that won one of the giveaways yesterday, right? And they never sent me an email. So that was Sing, by the way. So let's pick somebody else. Alrighty. Sounds good. Sounds good. Are you ready? Any names on the list, guys, that we wanna? Anybody in the chat? Anybody new that wants to be on the list? Anybody that we need to add on this list? Mohammed, you're already a member. Let's do James. James? Yeah, James. Lon? If you're already a member, you don't get a gift. Uh, yeah. If you're already a member, you don't get a gift. What? No, I know. My cat needs a membership. Yep. Or yeah, we can put Nadia. Where's if Nadia is in the chat, we can. Yeah, Ryan, you're on the list already, right? Again, I like when people interact, right? So when you're interacting and I see your name in the chat, right, we can just add you in the list. And then yeah, exactly, King. So I don't see anybody else that's been interacting in the comments, you know, that isn't on the list. La 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 la. Wizard. I'm gonna put Wizard on the list. Wizard. Anybody else? Sure. Michael? Oh yeah, Michael. Also, is there anybody in the I'm just gonna do Mike, even though that's so I'm getting dizzy. I know, right? Sky, you said you don't like Discord, so yeah, I'm gonna put Jaspreet on the list because Jaspreet is Canadian, so special treatment and yeah, yep. Okay, I'm gonna spin the wheel. Okay, yeah, spin. Come on, who is it? It's gonna be Jaspreet, isn't it? Oh my goodness, no, it's Stiff. James did not win. Stiff. Where's yeah, you almost won, Jaspreet. You were very close. Very close. Congratulations, Stiff. Uh yeah, Stiff is always here. Stiff might not be here now, but he's always here in the comments. So, Steve, are you in the chat? Let me know if you are. And then, yeah, I like that. Mm, photo, la 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 la. Uh, you don't want a prize? I'll take it. Yeah. I think it's only fair though. Like we give it to somebody that's in the chat. Like if Stiff, let's give Stiff like 5 minutes, and if Stiff isn't here, we spin it again. Okay, deal. I think Stiff really wants the membership because he's always here, but the one time that he's not here. So I think we leave the names on the wheel, and then if the person isn't here, we spin it again. Cool? Deal? Deal. I like it. JTI is unhalted and it's retesting the breakout. So let's see if it can stay above $6. $6. OCEA seems to be getting momentum from somewhere, Grim. Not sure where it's getting that vibe from, but it's getting it from somewhere. Sounds good? Yeah. Uh, there. There you go. Do. If getting still takes more than 5 minutes, seek help. Yeah, I think so too. Okay, let's spin the wheel again. Stiff is gonna show up in Okay, we're gonna leave him on the wheel though, right? We're gonna leave him on the wheel and then we're gonna spin it again. Deal? Spin. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who is it gonna be this time? Who is it gonna be? 7? I know, right? Poor Stiff. Congratulations, 7. Are you in the chat? Let me know. Ash, so close. So close. Uh, 7. Oh, 7 isn't going to be here. Do we think it will go back up? If it can find a way to stay above 36 cents. If it doesn't stay above 36 cents, Romeo, then it's 30 cents you're looking at next. Okay. Okay, 7. We leave 7 on the list, right? You ready? Spin, spin, spin. Yeah. Yeah, Sky. Yeah. 200 EMA test. Printing. Meta. I like it. By interacting in the chat, right? Well, basically, you know, yeah, looking for people that are always here. Yeah, Sky, you told me you don't like Discord, so me adding you is you told me you don't like Discord. You know you're gonna benefit from Discord, but you told me you don't like it. So spin the wheel, Ryan. Ryan finally. Actually, no. Yeah, Ryan. Ryan in the chat. Why is there a weird commercial? Pizza. Uh, Okay. Since looks like it's popping a little bit, huh? Let's go, Ryan. Congratulations. There you go. Send me an email. Yeah, send me an email. Let's go. Yeah, so send me an email, hottradesx@gmail, and then I'll send you an invite, okay? I'm gonna remove you from the list, and then yeah, next time we spin the wheel, somebody else can win. I know, right? It doesn't count. I know, Bill. I did that yesterday, but keep deeping spy. Let's go. Email on the way. Perfect. Uh, okay. Yeah. Spy dipskis. Yeah, spy just popped. It just popped because it wanted to pop, and then slap, slap, slap. Anything else other than Since looking good right now? Since again, a bit of support and then popped. That thing actually ran to the highs of the day, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, really good consolidation at the bottom though. It's still playing with 36 cents, Romeo. Same, right? So double bottom at 36 cents. You really need that level to hold. Like you really, really need that level to hold and then go from there. Alrighty. That's a nasty dip for SPY. Nasty, nasty dip for SPY. Do, 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 do. Yeah, there we go. Nasty deep skis. Uh, yeah. Foreign language, Michael. Yeah, sometimes it's like that, and you have to watch it a few times, right? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, since is looking good for sure. Again, it looks like you're hitting a double top though from pre-market. $6 double top. So Sam, be careful. Be careful. Yeah, yeah. The good thing is that it's actually holding. Bill. Good thing is it's actually holding. 1 second. Oh, that's loud. Sorry. Damn, that thing he really hit a double top Sam and got slapped. Sheesh. JTI does look like it's playing with $6 now, which was the last. Not yeah, JTI, right? That last resistance. Dividends income is so much cheaper than capital gains. Dividend income. Free monies, Josh. Free monies. Free monies. Okay, let's see here. 50. Here you go. Anyways, there you go. Sense. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Let me send you an invite. Yeah, I see you, Ryan. So click the link. Let me know when you click the link, Ryan. Looking forward to making. Okay. So yeah, that's the. Yeah, I just responded to the dude you gave the membership to. Yeah, Romeo, see what that's what I mean, right? So again, 36 cents is support for LYT, right? 36. So it's holding it. As long as it stays above it, you have a chance. Now it's at 37, right, Bill? So keep praying, keep praying, keep praying. Keep praying. Do, do. Let's see. Oh, it is, Josh? Oh, wow. I did not know that. Oh, wow. Huh? That's very interesting, you know? That is very interesting. See, I had no idea. Took a break after Wint. What did you miss? You missed Wint exploding. Wint exploded from the bottom. JTI is still holding that retest of the breakout grim. So bottom, retest, $6 holding. And then Ocean has some nice, interesting, unusual volume. So that's something to keep an eye on for sure. LYT, yeah, there you go. 36 is holding and it's going, right? So perfect support, right? Same level. Same level. And then Spies are trying for a comeback. Spies like, let me cook, please. Let me cook. Oh, you did? Okay, I went. B hat. Yeah. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. AUD, yeah, that thing just never showing some weakness. LYT, yeah, bit of a pop back down again. True. Didn't see the link. Was it in the chat? No, it's in your email, Ryan. I responded to your email already, so it should be in your email. So you took a starter? Yeah, I'm paying attention to that one for sure, Grims. Paying attention to. I like the unusual volume. It would be nice if that thing, dipped closer to 13 cents. I don't know if it will, though, but yeah, for sure, one of those. Has the vibes. Has the vibes. uh, 13, 1270. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Mm, Microsoft announces. Oh, hmm, interesting. 14. Okay. It's weird how those candles are moving, actually. Hmm. Accepted. You in? Okay. You clicked on the link. Okay. Let me do the rest. Marl, I see you. So congratulations. Thanks again, Josh. Uh, is your whose name is Ryan? Is your name Big Wally ish? Is that your name? Let me know if it is. Let me know if it is. Hmm. You know, man. Uh, on a single red candle, really? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's frustrating, Grim. Yeah, that's annoying. That's always my difficult thing with like playing it when that initial pop happens because I want to see the higher low of the breakout. If it's that initial pop, I'm always really skeptical. Uh, yeah, you are okay. Yeah, because again, uh, money's messed up, missing good trading. That's annoying, D. Little level and broke your ankles. Yeah, that's annoying to say the least. To say the least. National capex ability to by nearly 50%. Okay. On install. Yeah, it looks like we're slowing down a little bit, huh? 54 now. Is it going back up? Yeah, it's trying to, right? That's been the good thing with this one is like it's taking all day, but at least it's holding up, Romeo? Yeah, it needs volume for sure. Marley, you're good to go, right? You can see all the channels in Discord. So yeah, should be good. Studio, what's your position in BHAN? Na 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 na. Yeah, B head looks really good actually. Looks very good actually. uh, do, 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 do. Look at that candle. Look at that damn candle. Yep. My goodness. Shish. What is happening, Spy? Do, do, do. What is happening? That thing is going to end up cooking again higher, isn't it? Were you long on that candle on Spy, Dan? Do, 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 do. Yeah, this candle looks like it wants to thrust as well. Yup, there it goes. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Hmm. Do, 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 do. Okay. Bring back the MFOX market, Grim. Yeah, we need a theme or something. We need a theme or something. Azul is smiling with those zero DTEs. We were talking about getting stiff. That's exactly what's happening here now. Yup. That thing said, let me cook. It is finding some resistance here, though, Azul. Finding some resistance. No, 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 no. Some resistance, but very strong at the same time. Oof. Yeah, that thing is going to break out again. That candle is a bit wild. That last candle. That's your name? Okay, let me see. I don't see you yet. So again, make sure you leave the server, like the hot rate server, and then click on the invite link I emailed you, Ryan. Alrighty. I leave the server and then click on the invite link again. Yeah, that thing looks like it wants to break out. Which calls are you holding, Azul? Which calls? Which calls are you holding? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Keep going up, SPY. Keep going up. Now SPY is like, nope, I want to dip. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 13, 14s. Okay, those are nice. Okay, okay. Yeah, those are nice. Are you taking some profits here, though? Taking some gains off the table? Yeah. Yeah, LYT is just gonna keep playing with you for now. Sean. Oh, that damn thing. I mean, again, the good thing is that it's holding the base though. Like it's holding support, right? So that's good. Uh, I am Tesh for sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. Gonna be watching Tesh. Uh, no, I can't see you yet. I cannot see. So again, make sure you leave the server though, right? Like if you're not sure how to, like Google how to leave a Discord server, right? Like leave the server if you click the link already and then click on the link again. Alrighty. About the war potential, la 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 la. Okay. Uh, oh, so 9, 20, 50, 200. ID. Yeah. Alrighty. Let me know if that works. Uh, 43. Dashboard. One second. Fill this out. It's a lot of boxes. Still at 37? Yeah. Still at 37. Okay. And let's do that. Okay. There goes 39 again for LYT. So it really is trying, you know, it's really trying. So here comes 39. Let's go, Bill. Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Keep going, LYT. Keep going. Oh, okay. What's SPY doing now? SPY looks interesting here, doesn't it? Looks very interesting. I don't know if it wants to cook back to the top again or... There you go. Oh, there you go. I see you. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. There you go. Yeah, you're good to go now, Ryan. Maybe a second retest of that top as well. Yeah, SPY definitely looks strong for now. Let's see. Trump regards Boeing. Come on, Ocean. When are you gonna dip back down? LYT doesn't want to break above like 39.50. Not counting that. Yeah, exactly. No, I never count the after hour price. So 49. Let me look at SPY. Yeah. Yep. Wonder if we're gonna get there. I wonder if we're gonna get there. Usually, what happens is we get to all-time highs and then we get slapped, right? So I wonder if today is gonna be another one of those days. Push to all-time highs and then slappity, slappity. Anything else moving other than the LYT again? Another fail. So PRPH still looks okay. It just doesn't have the volume. And then Ocean again, we're gonna keep an eye on OCEA as a potential swing play. Right? It's doing okay. So I wanted that thing to dipski though. Grim is like, no. No dipskis. No dipskis. Choo choo. Mm. There we go. Looks good for a swing play coming back up. BBI. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, there we go. 611.49. Yeah, it's at least going back up to retest that double top, and then we'll see what happens from there. There we go. Because you want to. Okay. Shamir, maybe. Gina says, I just want to say thank you for the free 1 month membership. I was wondering why I still expired yesterday. And yeah, what money's for you guys? Let's go, Gina. Congratulations. Yeah, that's thanks to Josh. Thanks to Josh. I'm innocent. No, he is not. He is not. Yeah. JTI is still looking okay, Grim. Of the view apps. Of the view app. So I coded. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's about to pop, huh? Right? If you Romeo, there you go. So if you're still holding LYT, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're still holding LYT. LYT. Mike, yeah. I know Romeo's still holding it. Bill is still in there. Average is 40 cents, Chris. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you need that thing above like 40 cents, like now. Like now. We need another Trump tweet. Verb? Okay. Verb. No, 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 no. Spy? Yeah, Pavania. Companies do well with the massive amount of options. Do you think Spy now functions differently? Yeah. Yep, it does. The simple answer is yes. It definitely does. It definitely does. Uh, let's go. Jeremiah, let me send you a video to watch, okay? Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, SPY is struggling a little bit up there though as well. And it looks like we're failing at 40 cents, which is the view up for LYT. Yeah, SPY with a bit of a struggle bus vibe, but it's still holding up though. You see, I couldn't help it. You bought more ocean. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I've been waiting for this damn thing to dip, and Grim is out here buying all the dip skis. Unbelievable. You have a double top coming up at 1540, but it looks really good, Grim, right? Looks really good. I really wanted it to dip like around this area, Grim, just a little bit more, but no, Grim monies. I like it. Make monies, please. Yeah, it needs to break out now, Grim, and then you're gonna be smiling. Break, 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 break for Ocean. If not, yeah, should have. I know I should have FOMOed. It was consolidating really nicely. I should have taken a starter position at least. But I was just hoping for like a fat red candle into this VWAP and 200 zone, and then start there. On the chart, might go there during the week. Yeah, yep, I agree. I agree. Screw your fat red candle. I know you're sitting at a double top kinda now though, so don't judge my lines. But it needs to break above that. Screw your fat red candle. You see this, Dan? See this? Unbelievable. Oh yeah, the Fed minutes. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Dang. Okay. Yep. We're feeling at that double top for now, though, Grim. So we'll see. Could be stiffer. It could be stiffer for sure. Could be for sure. I like Azul in the options cooking lab. Azul is Azul. I like it. Options. Do, 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 do. Spy definitely has that vibe of like boom skis or dip skis incoming as well. Like it's gonna make a decision here at some point. Yeah, there goes a retest of the high. Retest of the highs, and then we're kind of like 30 cents away from the all-time high. Yeah. Retest of the all-time high. No more. I know. Like honestly, Josh, like it's the stupidest thing. Anyways, very silly. before the Fed minutes, 2 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, 2 p.m. Eastern. Do, 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 do. Peter. Yeah, Josh needs to get Bitcoin back to 100K, but Josh is too busy waiting for discounts, buying all the discounts, and then he's gonna send it. Spy looks like it wants to pop. Okay, there you go. Spy's at highs of the day now. Highs of the day. Accumulation, yeah. Okay, let me. Who do I have one-on-ones with today? Today's Wednesday. Wednesday. 19. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Two years and uh, Josh. Yeah. Uh, yep. Greedy, greedy. Do, do, do. Uh, do, do, do. There we go. Anything else? AUUD is sitting at the 200 EMA there, isn't it? Oof, that looks okay there, Grim, isn't it? But AUUD, 200 EMA, LYT is just, annoying at this point. Just annoying at this point. SINT came all the way back down to the same spot again. Like everything just pops in and comes back down. LYT again, on right back to 36 cents, isn't it? Yeah. Uh, oh, there goes 36 cents. Where is? Yep, Spy might have double top for now as well. Let's see though. Ocean for sure. Double top at that level. That supply zone. Double tops. To be adopting a 6-month cycle from bull to bear. Yeah, I don't mind that, especially like the bear cycle is really not bearish. It's more like accumulation and nice dip skis, Josh. Uh, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Huh, interesting. Spy popping back up. Spy's like, you can't stop me. Can't stop me. I'm just gonna pop back up again. Options lab. Okay. Uh, In 20 years, fat and bald. uh, Unbelievable. Ah, you guys see what I have to deal with? You guys see this? Mm, let's see. So threes. There you go. The better I feel about your analysis. Yeah, exactly, Josh. Exactly. 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 SPY just made new all-time highs, by the way. New all-time highs for SPY. The question is, do we keep going or does it dip now after making new all-time highs? All-time highs for the S&P. There you go. All-time highs. At least Bitcoin is done okay today. AMD looks nice. AMD. I quit trading all-time highs. I always get, yeah, it always seems weird, doesn't it? Like we get to all-time highs and then it seems like a bit erratic. Yep. Let's see what happens. LYT is still holding 36. We're going to be talking about 36 all day today. All day today. Yeah, let's do like 10 more minutes and then hop off and go back to Discord so I can do some other things. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Alrighty, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And again, if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. Become a member, come join us. Azul? Yeah, probably. It does look really nice and bullish, though. It looks like it wants to keep going. Uh, there we go. Now I work smart. I like it. To always be working. I like it. Cancel. Uh, was buy HIMS 58.50 and sell cover calls strike 59 to 28. So 2 Fridays, but instead I changed the strike to 76 for the higher premiums. 76 HIMS. Damn, SPY looks nice. SPY, HIMS 76. Ooh, those other ones are in the money already, huh? Oh my goodness, HIMS is a monster. Yeah, HIMS also had news this morning, so that was, that's a bit tough, isn't it? 76 for the 28. Jericho, I kind of feel like there's nothing you can do now other than wait. You know what I mean? You sold those covered calls, right? The value of them are higher, so you can't really close them, right? Um, feel like I would just leave it there. Like, okay, I bought those shares, didn't lose any money. I sold covered calls, paid already, right? If they take them, they take them. At this point, I would just leave it, Jericho. Yeah, there's no point covering them when you're paying a higher premium after they've given you the money. So then you're taking a loss that's unnecessary, right? So I would just leave it there and be like, oh well, you know. And then if it crashes, okay, yeah, exactly, Jericho, exactly. So it's not really worth the stress. Uh, yeah, Hims is an absolute monster. That thing has just been cooking. Crazy. From like $9, guys, to $72. This is like Palantir 2.0, isn't it? Not touching it yet? Yeah. Why can't AMD do this though? Like, maybe it's the cheaper stocks that do stuff like this. Like SoFi, baby Bill? SoFi? SoFi next? Oh, grab. Anyways, but yeah, AMD needs to do something like this, like just cook and just never look back. But no, no. Uh, how are some of these names still red? Okay. Well, Virus took a bit of a break. Yeah, he made nice monies. Does SoFi have monies? Yeah, they should, I think. They should, I think. BSLK. QBTS, yeah, QBTS. Those guys had some news. So Ocean is still just chilling here. Yeah, there's that dip we were grim. And then I went to the woods. Man knows balance. He does. He does. Maybe we get that dipskis now, Grim. Give me the dipskis. Give me the dipskis. Just one fat slap. Not asking for too much, right? I should probably take a starter, huh? Before it goes back up again, and then I'm like, dang it. No, just slap the damn thing. Like just right into like closer to 13 cents. Unbelievable. It's not like I'm asking for much about. It's not like I'm asking for the sun and the moon. Like just a quick dip skis and then back up. Uh Out of spite. Oh no, Grim, don't do it, please. I'll be nice. I'll be nice to it. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Do, 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 do. Spy still going? No, dipsing a little bit. Bit of a dipski. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Uh, uh, spy. Okay. Of your 612s. Okay, I like it. Yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect as well. Yeah, really good monies. Good monies. Yeah, QBTS looks nice. So it looks like it's getting some hype from that news. Good job, by the way, A. Did you hit your daily goal today, Mushashi? Jericho? LYT still just sitting there. Anyways, you did already? Perfect. Yeah, so nothing else to worry about really. Yeah. 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 No, all I'm saying for the other one is, if they want to take the shares away at 78, which was a perfect good strategy there going out, higher. I think Mark did that just so he could get paid nicely, and then he doesn't have to worry about anything else, especially since the stock ran already. I think he just wanted to get paid. Um, but yeah. So again, you've been paid already, right? So whether they take the shares or the stock pumps or crashes, you're fine. Yeah, that's him's. Yeah, exactly. And him's is going for new highs of the day. My goodness, why didn't we FOMO into this thing? It just seemed like it did too much already, huh? It just seemed like it was already doing too much. The cover every weekend. Na 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 na. Hims. Spy tried to go back up. Yeah, Spy is really strong, especially coming from like the abyss. Yeah, perfect, 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 perfect. Yeah, Pavan, they seem to be keeping it away from. Let me zoom out here. Let me look at like the 30-minute chart. Yeah, they see like if you look, they seem to be keeping it above like 509, 509 to 508 the last 3 days now, right? 509 to 508. And then if you break below that, then you can look for like did I say five? No, 609, right? And then 605. So those would be your next two levels to watch, right? And then if you look at pre-market the last 2 days, it's I think Azul mentioned this, right? So right above like 612, that seems to be like the magic level, that we keep failing at in pre-market. To cook like that, APLD might cook like that, might cook like that. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Mm. Let's go, Paolo. Moving on. Pavan, hopefully that helps you with like the range. Alrighty. Swing. Okay. At the bottom. Yeah, that one was okay in pre-market, and then the market opened and it just didn't do anything that I was liking. I haven't looked at it. I have not looked. La 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 la. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna leave it here for the day. We will continue in ZD squats. Alrighty. So have a wonderful rest of the day. Be safe. Don't do anything dangerous, please. Again, don't forget to smash a like before you go if you haven't already, and all the other fun things. Alrighty, and we'll catch you guys later. Well done, Azul. Monies. Keep making monies, please. See you in the options cooking lab. And then Pavan, you can, if you're watching Spy, go to the options cooking lab. You should, Dan. You should. It's fun. Do it. Tesh, see you in Discord. Alrighty. Again, much love all. Josh, thank you very much again. Congratulations. Whoever won the giveaway. Jay, see you later. Bye-bye. Bye, Ash. See you tomorrow. See you later, Ricardo. Much love all. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye, guys. Bye, Michael. Walk. Bye.